Naghahanap ba kayo ng bagong date spot or barkada hangout? Well, join me, your Cinegeek Roy, as we check out Cinema 76. Pagpasok namin ni Ange sa entrance ng Terraces Building sa harap ng Chick Boy, dumaan kami sa staircase sa right side paakyat. And wow! Kita niyo naman kung gaano kaganda ang ambience ng Cinema 76 Cafe. And kasing ganda ng labas ang kanilang dining area sa loob. Meron din silang gift shop where you can buy Cinema 76 and TBA Studios related merch like physical media, shirts, books, at madami pang iba. By the way, misconception siguro na puro lang art film ang pinapalabas dito. But no, Despicable Me 4, Past Lives, and Love You As The World Ends are also playing here. And meron pang tease ng exciting na parating. But for tonight, we were invited to see the new Pablo Almodovar short, Strange Way of Life, starring Ethan Hawke and Pedro Pascal. Pero bago yon, tignan muna natin ang menu nila. And wow, ang daming masarap na choices. And by the way, hindi lang siya non-alcoholic drinks. Meron din silang cocktails at lahat ng yan pwedeng dalahin sa loob ng screening room. Ange got the salted caramel latte, while I got the mango shake. And as for food, I got the Del Pilar sandwich, and she got the Luna sandwich. At kita niyo naman, walang natira. So now it's time to go inside the screening room. And kita nyo kung gaano kaganda ang interior ng screening room nila. At meron pang nag-aantay sa labas. If you love movies, coffee, and hanging out with your friends and family, check out Cinema 76 here in Tomas Morato.